rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We thank Allah for the opportunity to meet Sheikh Edris Khamissa again. It's been about 6 years since he was here last. Yes. But sometimes it feels as if it was no more than about a year or two ago. Fortunately, I think Salah and myself met him again in South Africa just last year. A lot has changed, and that's the world we live in. But one of the things I really appreciate with Edris Khamissa is his deliberate attempt to be close to his audience and to not lose the child in him, to not lose play, to not get too serious about life and treat it as if it's supposed to be boring academics. He brings fun into things, and may God help that fun continue to remain infectious. May we all be people who our students would also say, I like it.
All of you say, I like it, I like it, I love it, I love it. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! So tomorrow, when you go to the class, you tell the students, Yeehaw! Yeehaw! They might think you've gone off your head, right? Mariam, bring this.
Alhamdulillah. We come to the end of this presentation. We thank Edris Khamissa for his time. He'll be going back to Abuja today for a program there, and a program that carries on over the weekend. We pray Allah to take him safely, to bless his time there, bless his journey. His wife unfortunately had to undergo surgery. She was supposed to come with him. We pray Allah to continue to give her strength and just bless the entire family. Sallu ala Nabi al-Kareem. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim wa barik ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim fil alamin innaka Hamidum Majid. Assalamu alayka ayyuhan nabiy wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alayna wa ala ibadillahi salihin. We pray Allah to continue to bless all of us, bless our knowledge, bless our growth, improve our ability to positively influence the children that are under us, and through that, inshallah, be a positive influence on Nigeria and the world. We pray God to continue to forgive us for our mistakes and lapses, to continue to give us the encouragement and support to make this a part of our way to paradise. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun alal mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.